Welcome back, guys, to another Java programming tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and cover more string methods. So let's get started. So if we go ahead and remove some of our previous code, I'm just going to remove all that, and I am going to substring 0 to 6, and that will go ahead and get our hello there. And let's go ahead and do plus name, or yeah, we have to uncomment that. That's better. Alright, and if we were to run this, we would get something that looks a bit like this. So let's go ahead and I'm going to enter Juju, and it's going to say hello Juju. Pretty basic example, but that's how we would use it using a substring. Now, another way that we could do this is that through the replace method. So if we were to do, instead of greeting.substring, go ahead and type greeting.replace. And now this takes two parameters. The first one is, what do we want to replace? Well, we want to replace world. And it is case sensitive, so keep that in mind also. And the second argument is, what do we want to replace it with? Well, I'm going to go ahead and replace it with name. And so if we run this again, go ahead and type, okay, that works. And it'll say oxymedula, whatever that is. I don't know, I got tired of typing my own name. So now, if we were to, these are pretty basic examples just to show you how they exactly work, but often they are used in a more complicated example, but I'm not going to go ahead and do that. Maybe during in my Java usages, I will go ahead and use one of these if I see the opportunity. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to switch this up a bit, and it's going to take input. But what I'm going to do here is show you a couple other string methods, and what these ones are if I were to go, if input starts with hello, then I want to say, I want it to reply hello. And so what this is going to do here is this method called starts with basically says, if as long as it starts with this, it doesn't matter what comes after, but if it does start with this, go ahead and print out hello. Another one similar to this method is if input dot ends with, and so let's say if it ends with by, we want to go ahead and print out alrighty. So let's go ahead and see if this works. Let's go ahead and say, well, it said hello back. What if I say hello computer? Still says hello. Good. Now what if I say bye? Will it, yeah, it went ahead and replied to me. What if I say goodbye though? And it still insists of saying goodbye. So that's how starts with and ends with works. So instead of just comparing hello, whether they're saying hello or whatever it is, but one thing that it's not going to do is, if I were to type this all in lowercase, it's not going to test it at all. And why that is because it's still case sensitive. So what we can do is, in fact, we can set all of these to lowercase. But now you're saying, well, Juju, if you do that, you're not going to be able to test if they're typing properly with uppercases. Well, that's not so much a problem, because what we can do is go ahead and set input equal to input to lowercase. And what this is going to do is go through the input letter by letter and set each letter to a lowercase. So it is very useful when comparing against, comparing in general. So it starts with, end with, ends with, English today. So let's go ahead and say hello with multiple capitals this time, and it will still say my English. Still say hello. All right. Now look at this awesome responding robot. If that doesn't scream $1 million program, I don't know what does. Anyways, I hope this helped you. If it did, go ahead and give it a like. If you have some problems or have any suggestion on future videos I should do, go ahead and leave that down below in the comments section. If you want to see future videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, this was Juju, and I hope you have a good time. Good day, and seriously, English. Just see you in the next tutorial.